Good morning guys. We are here right now at Taiwan and nandito po kami ngayon sa Taipei and it's our 4th day na today. So for today's video guys is we're having a land tour. So ayan, pupunta kami ng 3 destination and yung first is yung Geopark sa Yelyung. Second is I think Yanyang-si. Then may 13 layers, yung waterfalls, golden waterfalls, and then sa Jiffin Old Street. And yung last namin is yung sa Sky Lantern. And by the way guys, this is my really first country that I visited abroad, so Taiwan is the first and I am very lucky and happy that I am here with my family. So, ayun. Grabe guys. No. So, this is our third day. Third day na. Third day pa talaga. Fourth day day. So, first stop is Yelyung Geopark. Okay guys, story time muna. So we went here noong July 7. So magstay kami dito for a week and yung balik namin ng Pinas is sa 13 na. So 7 days kami dito. Guys, malapit na kami. Sobrang ganda ng view dito. And ito yung entrance na malapit na kami sa Geopark. So, let's go. So, nag-stop by kami dito sa 7-Eleven. Bumili muna kami ng mga drinks para pagpasok doon sa Geopark may energy. Okay, so this area guys is yung pasalubong. So dito tayo nagpipik ng mga kung ano-anong mga foods or pasalubong na binibili natin. So ito yung area. Actually, para siyang Changi. Changi. Yes, diya mo iban diri guys si Daumin. Dauming shit. Ako to mama, vlogger. Mama na ako to na vlogger. Grabe ka takuan ila. Geopark diri guys. As in, katako sa parking lot. Tapos may hotel. So, musulit na kami sa entrance later. After diri. This is our first stop guys. Geopark. Palingkod na.
on walking.
Okay, so this park is very nice, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang daming mga spot na pwede mong pagpicturean. But then, yung very top dito, guys, is yung inside niya is yung mga stone nila is parang Mars. So, if first time ka dito, parang ma-amaze ka talaga.
Ang iban guys, naka-tour guide sila. Pero kami nag-DIY ra, pero appeal na sa Okay, so ang spot diri guys is like something Mars bitaw ang iyahang mga kuan bato. That's why I think gitawag siya og Geo Park.
Okay guys, so this time, ito yung area na makikita mo. Yung rock formation talaga na parang mga Mars. May mga iba-iba siyang shape. So, hindi ko na lahat na videohan. Ito lang muna kasi sobrang init talaga guys. And kung kayo pumunta dito, bring your payong talaga sobra. So, ayun guys, that's it.
Hi guys, so galing na kami sa exit. Next stop na sad kami sa second destination. Let's go!